everyone observe the picture? Now I am going to tell you the story. Listen carefully. Once upon a time, there lived a donkey named Dinky. He was very hardworking and worked day and night carrying load from one place to another. One day, while carrying the load from one place to other, he thought to himself, I carry load day and night all alone. I have no one to talk to. I wish I had my friends with me. He thought of his two best friends, Cammy the camel and Yankee the yak. Dinky's friend Cammy the camel lived in the desert. She too carried load from one place to another. She would provide milk and her hair too was very useful for people in the desert. Dinky's other friend Yankee the yak lived in mountains. He too carried load from one place to another. He also provided milk and his thick wool was used by people living in snowy areas. Dinky decided to call both his friends to work with him in the grasslands. Cammy agreed to come as there was lot of water on the grassland and she was tired of working for days without water. Yankee too agreed as there was a lot of grass on the grassland and in the mountains he had to climb for many hours to find a patch of grass. Dinky was very happy to see both of his friends. He served his friend Cammy some clear and sparkly water and he served fresh green grass to Yankee. Cammy was used to drinking a lot of water at a time and finished all the water in one gulp. There was no water left for Dinky to drink. Yankee had a habit of eating too much grass at the time, so he finished all the grass offered and none was left for Dinky to eat. The next day, all three of them went to work. Cammy had padded feet which would help her work in the sandy desert. But it was very difficult for her to work in the grassland. She fell and hurt herself. Yankee had long hair all over his body. He started to feel very hot because he was used to the cold weather. He began to sweat and could not carry any loads that day because he was very tired. Poor Dinky had not eaten anything. He had not even had any water to drink. He felt too weak and after a while could not carry any load. Next day, Dinky, Cammy and Yankee realized that all three of them cannot work in the same environment because although they were doing the same kind of work, their bodies were not suitable for the same environment. So, they decided to go back to their homes and meet only during vacations. Dinky bid goodbye to his friends. Cammy left for the desert and Yankee left for the snowy mountain.